Today ke tlo bua ka Monday motivation ya today ne. Ke tlo bua ka the difference between mojolo le lenyalo ne. In my Monday motivation today ke batla bua ka a difference between mojolo le marriage. Just relationship and marriage ne. Ko bua ka ntho today what's up guys? Because I've learned something for somewhere somehow mojolo le kapa relationships di frustrated batho ba bohloko. Most of us we are frustrated because of relationships and kapa ke re mojolo tsena di frustrated batho, and they don't just frustrate us but somewhere somehow they are affecting us emotionally, mentally, spiritually. They are affected. I don't want to lie. So about not today in this Monday motivation yeah today mujolo o destroyer war destroyer dikelelong mentally mujolo war destroy, and then emotionally war destroyer, spiritually o kila uta motare ebile ntate mruti nna ke sa gona go rapela motare I can't even pray the way ke limetseng ka teng. But before ke tla mo what's my guys ke ithutile ntho engwe ne ke shebile before ke tla tabeng ya Monday motivation today ne ke ithutile hore lefatshe le tletse di satane ke batla go share yeno pele fela nje lefatshe le na tletse di satane straight ke shebile ntho Lekker Vrydag ne ha ke etsa Lekker Vrydag ne Lekker Vrydag ya ka ha ne ke qeta ho change ke tshisa diphahlo e be dropper. Last time be ke tina paint fela ke tina blumara, and then Lekker Vrydag ya hodimo. The last time ke ne qetela first day ne tina paint fela Lekker Vrydag ka ile tsa my 100 and something thousand ya batho ba shebeletse Lekker Vrydag 100 and something thousand ya batho ba shebeletse Lekker Vrydag ya paint. Then be ke etsa again the last time ke qetela ne tsa ma 70 something thousand ya batho ba shebeletse Lekker Vrydag ya di paint man mo ke tenne di painted now last week ke etsa Lekker Vrydag ya bazalwa the holiness of the holy choir wa bona. So be ke re ke etsa Lekker Vrydag ga bazalwa ka letsa ka dladisa gospel, and then kaske ka apara paint Lekker Vrydag e entse 30 something thousand 30 something. Now ke re mar batho ba sukudisa batseng these people ba etsa ka ra ba rata ntho tse snacks ba di rata man. I ke thutile something guys, and ke tlo etsa Lekker Vrydag mar make no mistake nka se hlole ke tina di makeup le mesi no angeke nphinde ndibelong, but anything je ek feeling where I'm going to have fun ka yona for Lekker Vrydag ke tlo etsa. If ke feel or I want ke batla have fun ka Lekker Vrydag ke tlo etsa ke tlo etsa yo ye batho ba re phidisa ka thata ba zalwana ba crest ai batho ba re phidisa ka thata ai suka yo ai ba crest ba re phidisa ka thata guys ma ka Friday ne ke le Kimba, no ka Saturday ne ke le Kimba le di biker setting ke tsama le di biker setting, so ne re le ke tshisa nyama club o bona tshisa nyama club nyana mo hey o ba bona batho ba maketso re moruti le yena o mbona na o ba bona ba nshebile tsena o ba bona hore kelelo tsa bona di all over Pastor November o teng mo ke itse fela ngwana go gae ke ja fa ke sena stress nna ke iphelela ka nnete ke itse tsora sizogwetywa phambili xa ahlula pili. I have learned something here, but this is not the real issue for today. Like I mean, Monday motivation today ke batla to become the relationship or the way they affect teng. Relationships manyalo kaofela ntotson, they've got a way or affect emotionally, spiritually, mentally, kaofela, physically, because some of the people ba end up abase ba water, abanye abantu bayanqina nje bawonda nje because of anal stress. But now ke batla tla ntwenya na ya hore but let us be honest, guys. I think somewhere somehow runa batho ba kenang di relationshiping somewhere somehow, if we don't change tabaya how we enter to the relationship, that thing is going to affect us again this year. If are change strategies arona so we cannot the relationship, that thing is going to affect us again. And recover the victim, because now I think somewhere somehow but why can I carry the relationship? Regains the victim. Most of us, but why can I carry the relationship? Regains the victim. And we are blaming other people for the intolerance. We are blaming other mujolo lili nyalo. Kaufela haruna, but why can I the relationship? Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Sorry. Signal yaka ila lahle anje. I mean, network. So, guys, kiri here, kititile ori, runa batho ba kenang di relationshiping, re ikentse the victim. Re iketsa the victim ha bohloko. And that thing ya we iketsa the victim, ke ena e etsa ngore today we are emotionally broken, spiritually re mentally re because re iketsa the victim. Ke tlo le jwetsa why ke tjho jwalo today, so that we must understand or this year we must not repeat things because these things, they are affecting us. And when only emotionally broken, mentally, spiritually, every corner ya bophelo ele broken, you can how kgone ba active mosebetsing, how kgone ba active, how kgone ba productive di planning tsa hao. And I know most of us re the resolutions for this year, but ke batla ho share fela hore as much really the resolutions, but we need to be careful ka tse ding tsa dintho tseo rona re ikinyang ka ro tsona se faka ku zinto tse affectang bophelo ba rona. So ke kopa ho share ka yona. Number one, like I said, we don't understand, we don't know, actually we don't know how to separate njolo le lenyalo. Ke bona ka runa batho ba jolang kaofela, batho ba ka rata relationship kapa batho ba try ngwe kena ka rata relationship. Once re kena ka rata relationship, re nka di relationship le lenyalo. Most of us re dinka ile lenyalo nxa o ngena yonje so somtshatweni wena. Most of us ke ithutile ntho eno re when re enter the relationship, ha re kene di relationship asingeni emjolweni kuri kelelo tsa rona e ka re di switch off hore ha se mjolo ntwena e ka re ke lenyalo kuri re etsa mjolo wa rona lenyalo. And that is why today re leng broken, re leng frustrated, re le jwang. Ke tlo jwetsa why. Number one, re sokola understand hore ha le kopana le babedi le ratana le motho kapa le jola le date le jola, that doesn't mean motho no sa o rata. If we can understand that o ka kopana le motho be le ratana, be le khisana, be le have sex, guys, we need to understand that that thing doesn't mean motho no rata. We need to understand that. Number one, if we can understand that when we robala about having sex about re bua re sendalana bo good morning, bo good night, bo let us understand that doesn't mean seratana. I've learned that, guys. because you know lerato le tsejwa ke motho lerato le tsejwa ke mngalona guys uthando la zongumuntu onalo kuye akithi ngayibezwa if ke jola lwena bohlokwa if ke jola lwena ke nna ya tsebang hore ke a o rata kapa ko rate. I'm the one who knows or I love you or I don't love you. And now when the problem ya runa ntho e tsang hore ke re runa re ikentse di victim and ha re qetile be re complain ka batho rella. Here is the thing, most of us we normally take whatever you batho ba re bolelang yona. Ha motho re yo baby I love you so much, you believe. Ha motho re you are so good sexually, you believe. Yo baby you believe. But in your mind, you don't even think or this person hala jola. We don't think about that. We don't think about that. Arena hand into him. Every time when Mutara I love you, Usonto Dumela one rata. And then yo we understand the lumtum Mutaka one rata. Yo in. But the reality of the truth hase hangata batho ba kopanang ba be ba se ba ratana bobedi ba bona. It's either hona le tlo ratanye mong hona le mong ya tlo struggle to love o mo. Okay, that is number 1. Number 2, hona le batho ba ka ratanang ba qala kopana ke tse libitsa first time of seeing of love of see wa bona ke tse libitsang yes hona le kukwendlela yokuthi abantu bangadibana iyayetsana le kopana le motho le exchange di number be le kopana le ya dijong and then be le ratana but yeno haribi ariri ke le rato ntho yeng le qeta kopana hona jwale that doesn't mean ke le rato ntho yeng ba bang ba bitsa flee a ke bitse le ke tsebe le bitsa flee ka ba bang le bitsa and then ba bang hona le batho ba nkehang like nna ke mo ga batho ba nkehang weakness ya ka ke motho a nkehang now hona le batho ba nkehang nqandi they athathe kanje I am that easily taken person they athathe kanje hona le batho ba nkehang. So now here's the thing, ke tse number 1 hona le hore le ka kopana le motho be le jola and then ha le jola o bothola hore as much le jola mare emong ha so rati the way wena mo ratang ka teng. But the sad part kore this person akaso jwetsore baby o tsebe nna ke so rati the way wena on ratang ka teng. That is the sad part. But if runa re sa iketsetseng toyen, if runa re sa iketsetseng toyen in our mind, you must create that in your mind or as much as this person are one rata understand that there's a possibility or ha so rat. Let us understand that, guys. For us, Reskera Itola really the victim again this year. Reskera Itola ribita about to the heartbreaker. Your mama ke heartbreaker. Ke the heartbreaker. Guys, how Reskera gets the victim this year, so that we must not be frustrated again this year. Because when really frustrated, the sabotage the planet Aruna. We are affecting the planet Aruna. We are affecting the goals Aruna. So to avoid this thing, doesn't matter or muto rata bolelwa o tla jwetswa especially ka ba ke mojolo. If motho wa rata o tla bolelwa ke lenyalo not molomo masqelelwe ni michato bolelwa ke lenyalo re mari person wa rata ke yona o sa nyetse because there's a possibility or le nkutlo ke tlo ya kae le nkutlo guys le tla bolelwa ke lenyalo ka nako yeo lenyala nna then lenyalo ke lona confirmation ya gore motho ena wa o rata. For now guys, reserve your emotion, reserve pelo ya hao, reserve maikutlo a reserve lona bo osi reserve until motho a re now baby ke atla ke tlo nyala ke tla le bo malume baka then abatla. And if I bua then still don't suthateka. If answer I bua fela ska nkeya still se ka nkeya still until but batla halona batlisa lengwelo then ho arrange, then I will say yeah yenwe ke yona ntho e ka reng mohlang e sa etsala then ke a break you then I can understand gore ka nnete motho le robile pelo ao kapa le robane dipelo, I don't know. That one ke yone nka reng it's a heartbreaker. But here re reng ke di heartbreaker tsa gore re jotse le bo mang, and then a re qetile re lahlane le bona, then a re qetile se really miserable. No guys, ke a pele eno. I want to repeat that gore go na le batho ba go kopana le bona, go na le motho o ka kopanang le ena o bothola gore le a ratana, but that doesn't mean yena o sa o rata the way wena o mo ratang ka teng. We need to bear that thing in our mind. And now that is number one. Number two, re na le batho ba nkehang, re ka kopana nna le wena be re nkeha. But on a serious note, we can think gore nna le wena ra ratana, batho bothola ra ratana. But it's just that re nkehile fela kumnandi. We are just flowing. But that doesn't mean we need to understand to avoid guys this year we need to understand but that doesn't mean you know guys, it's like when unkamul ne ubesa ubesa dipatsi thatha umlilo ubasa ubuthela petrol ne ubuthela diesel kapa ubuthela petrol. Do you know that some kapa fela paraffin? Do you know that sometimes you mulon wa kapa we are kapa la mlilo utuke ho che petrol kapa ho che paraffin, then ubuthola hore but patsiani yona haich ho cha mullo ho cha petrol kapa hutuka kuvuta ipetrol le wikalele ezunkunini petrol ne itsitsini dipatsing ha uthola re patsiena imetsi imanzi man ipatsiena imetsi kapa mashala ana idea kapa ukila bana utsela chakunu sometimes not chakunu utsela chakunu ubuthela ubunga that thing ya chakunu uitsela ubutuka yona ba chakunu imbisa tuki wabona. So hona le di relationship tse qalang jwalo di tuka zivutha, but that doesn't mean hona le lerato le tlo tla hama morao. Now the problem about that kind of love you tlo thola hore hantse re jola, that's when ke tlo tseba gore ke a o rata, that's when ke tlo qalelang ho rata. But pele re kopane kapa wena o kopane le nna ra kopana re rankeana masathatana ya bobo good morning good afternoon hello baby but bothola re le ratwa le soka le bate ene lona most about to le consider Antonio le right yo motho ka one rata umfonela every day ubua good morning every day ubua good afternoon every day ubua good night every day. Can't you know is that fire nje lamlilo nje ke molwana o tuka mfela but haona mo itlo ya ntintwe. Now here's the thing, o tlo thola hore hanako intse tsamaya ko hona dintho tseo le di etsa wena le motho ke hona di tlo etsa gore ho be le lerato between wena le lona. But leona yon intse le dangerous hanako intse tsamaya ke hona whatever you le etsang both of you ke yona tlo etsa gore hona ho be le lerato ko hona le tlo qalelang ho ratana hanako intse tsamaya ko hona jwale lerato le tlo qalelang. It's like now ko hona jwale mollo tlo tuka ha o sa tuka that petrol le tsetseng ha o sa tuka that paraffin le tsetseng but o so tuka mashala no the real part no. Now ho bolela hore ko dintho tseo le di etsang ke tsone tse tlo etsang gore jwale le qalelle ho ratana ko hona jwale lerato le tlo qalellang ho bateng. But disadvantage about that ke gore again still le kana la qala jwalo le qale ka fire wena le motho wa le qale ka fire ebe fire kanti ha na kwentse tsamaya everything little yet and both of you if you yet or this person is not the person and a matter kapal when no feel or he is not the same person in a matter. Now Runa reating most of the time Runa Batwaka we can say the victim because now that's because this person we had a good morning we had a good night we're not so fair like in a rat. kanti batho ba bang ba ka etsa good morning, good afternoon, good hello baby in because ana le nako. That doesn't mean wa o rata because o dula le phone and a ka o monitor a ka re fela good morning, but that doesn't mean that good morning o bolela lerato. Good night baby, that doesn't mean that good night o bolela lerato. Lona bo good morning, good afternoon ukuthi lithando lona lise lihlanye noma uthoke wanrata that is why mohlang awulahlang. Now you become crazy. Yo, I'm heartbroken because muthoka nkutlwise bohloko nlahlile and ne re ratana ke manga re ne le ratana because there's a possibility of what's about guys hona le batho bana le nako ya phone. There are people who have time for phone. Go to mutara phone every time. And when I mutaka WhatsApp and wena, I get a good morning marasa urat. When I mutaka good night marasa urat. There are people that are some good morning and that's urat. Just because already usanta le WhatsApp untolor a good morning because WhatsApp a good night baby because already WhatsApp. So this thing hold the hot on. Hold the dinto the messaging or mutaka on rumela message on rumela good morning rumela berena hano rekile ratonto. And that is why when dinto tseno di sa tsamaya hantle now re ba frustrated re ba miserable and then after tele be re iketsa di victim re laka ka mono kuti motho ka o nrobile pelo motho ka o yentseng kanti no wena o iketsa victim re iketsa di victim batho ba ka ramanyalo. Let us understand, batho ba ka ra di relationship understand that. Let us understand the relationship le marriage, those are the two different things. Mojolo le lenyalo ke dintho tse pedi tse fapaneng. Let us understand re ka ramjolo. Understand or ka ramjolo. You are not in the marriage, and because ke mojolo there is no commitment. There is no commitment, and that person akatla wena about jola luena anahana you are the right person. And here's the sad part, guys. Hona le batho ba ka hlanguruna mutabana hana you are the right person. Le wena o ka ndumela undumela because una I'm the right person. Along the way you gonna realize you are not the right person. Kapa you are not I'm not the right person. Now we tell you re tlo utlwela kapa wena o tlo utlwela runa re iketsa di victim real mo and then real yo na pelo ka bohloko batho ba bapala ka nna o ya qoka batho ba bapala ka wena. But the only thing go re fela ha so kopane le motho a o ratang because motho a o ratang yena o tla dula le wena. So let us not atlele go iketsa di victim re dule ntse re iketsa di victim tsa batho runa batho ba roba di pelo let us understand hore re ka ra mojolo a se le nyalo tloelang go nka di hopes tsa lona le di phamise tloelang go nka dintho tloelang go nka di photo le poster le etseng le jwetse South Africa le America le Dubai le Turkey le Congo le jwetse batho re lona sentse le lenyalo maronzo tse ba re tse relationship ene re yetsa ntho o thola o so inviteile batho o so jwetse bo mang o so postile o so yentseng ka relationship ngomjolo kamjolo na o thola re hosane ha o qeta o faila mjolo wa hao o so le miserable jolo o so la o fila re wena ho bapetswe ka wena kanti no, it was not just a mjolo nense ke nahana hore o tlo ba yena motho aka kapa wena o nahana hore ke yena motho aka. But the reality of the truth kore o bo thola hore you are not the one kapa nna I'm not the one. So guys, let us avoid to matate because all these things they are affecting us. The frustrator bophelo ba rona re frustrator future ya rona frustrator ditoro tsa rona hona jwale ke a kwala hona le this thing hearing how driver le motho somebody girlfriend ya how like one of this kind of young guy selfie tjena motho wa driver then belinga tjena le etsa tjena le shoota di selfie tse jwalo di selfie tseo wa bona nna ndo tsena di sa nketsa next a usana next thing exciting Auna next engin exciting because o tlo thola re motho ena e etsa le wena tje o ntsa yentse ka mang 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 everything ye motho a buang ho wena you baby qala you know I love you so much o tlo thola re ga la ntsa tla e bua so ga la ntsa tla nna bazalwana nna senze la ndisong andisa thathe ke akusanke ko ra o sana ntho enhlantsa ye motho a buang especially ya mojolo be senze ke nka ke hlanya motho a ntjotsa hore yo ke qala go kopana le motho ke mo rata ntjola ka wena akusanke yana because since antsa bua that thing o tla diteng since 30 le nna gale ke di bua dintho tsena batho ba bang ke kopana le motho ke mojotsa re yo qala o tla ntshwetsa gale re di bua o tla diteng since 30 lezinto let us wait until your relationship e ba lenyalo then e be le hona o ka reng no now o bua proud o bu breaker now because now ke lenyalo e seng ntwe ne re etsang ya hore e be di relationship tsa rona se re di etsa lenyalo ha re qetile ha di qeta re disappointa be re complain re point about re dula re complain ka batho no mama o nkentse la mama o nkentse but e le wena o nkile relationship ya wa e fetola lenyalo e ntse le relationship because re di fetola manyalo siziphetula imicha I relationship zethu re di fetutse manyalo ha re qetile re di sa social media re di tlatse social media re poste re kinye Instagram re tiretse re beye dinto le re keng the statusing re kinya batho the statusing ibe mehlo hosane you are miserable, you are frustrated o qoshitse ka relationship fair nna guys ke kopa lo jotsa net this year we need to change some of the things we need to change it I mean dinto tse dingwe re di etsa jwang ya o qetela when o le ka relationship understand or just the relationship into wait until e ba lenyalo and don't itukise hore relationship because it's just a relationship there is no commitment e kana fela ning kapane e beye e prepare in your mind to okay this thing but bapala role ya hao jola le motho because there are two things that tlo etsala is either it will work or it won't work dintho tseo le di etsang both of you ke tsona tse ka etsang gore mohlomong le qeteletse le ratana kapa le skela ratana all together because ya etsa ntho eo o thola gore we are trying na lwena I'm trying to love you lwena you are trying to love me but e be hana man le rato be le hana o thola gore ntwana ya hana ke la utla gore o rata motho mare ntwana e be hana man ko rutlo gore this thing ya hana there is something e no ko ro try or if this person ke mo rata le yana o rata but be ha so let us understand or dinto tsena ke relationship and yengwe ya dinto e tshwantse re understand ke gore engwe ya dinto tshwantse re understand ke gore we need to understand gore motho emo o tlo thola gore ka nnete o batla ho rata he's trying or she's trying to love you but love ka buyona ya hana ho rata o thola gore I'm trying to love you but love doesn't love you le rato la ka le gone ho rata we need to understand because sometimes we need to understand gore le rato le beyond our control le ka odima matla a rona love is beyond our control guys we need to understand that because I can try or when you can try to love me o try unrata but le rato la hao bele hana unrata o tholo you are trying o bo try we convince wa tseba ke tlo etsa tjena ke tlo etsa o bo try u convince wena but bo thola re le rato la hao le hana o rata because I used to say love is an independent person le rato it's an independent person when there is you and love. Now, even if you can try to love a person, but the love, if love yona is about to rata mutu, no matter you guys. So we need to understand that banaba to banaba blame, but banaba to banaba solang or no babetskan. Some of them will tolerate or try rata. That is why he was trying to call you. That is why that is why una try who remember the gift, but obubona motho disappear fella. Sometimes you tolerate O tried to love you, but love did not allow him to love you. Kappa love did not allow her to love you. O told her, I tried, Kappa when you tried. But the problem is love. Love ebe hana horata. So we need to understand it. Let us prepare our mind to let us hardly ke ka relationship le motho wa ka up to so far. Nalena e ka re re ratana nalena e ka re ratana but re tla bona hana kwentse tsamaya and then if a re ka rata then lenyalo le be le bate then ke hona mo ka reng yes nna le motho ka re ratana hobane re a nyalana lengolo le tlile the preparations di entswe but e senyena yo re etsa ene re etsa nje kuzifisa nje ka bohlogo re ikutlisa bohlogo for unnecessary ha re qetile be re ba miserable ha re qetile be re lose focus di planning tsa rona re qetile be re ba miserable ha re qetile be re blame about. Guys, let us understand or there is you, there is love. Le hona there is me, there is love. Ha ke le tjeng there is love beside me, there is love inside of me. Hona le lerato ka hare hona and lerato leno ke lona le decide gore le batla go rata mang. Love decide gore le batla go rata mang. We are not ones ha se runa ba decide gore batla go rata batho, but that love that is in within you, lerato le ka hare wena ke lona le decide gore le batla go rata mang. So we cannot blame people no what if ngwana batho na o rata una try o rata but love did not allow him to allow her or our rata I hate it because again re ka se fake le rata re ka se dule le batho ba re ba ratang just because re batla ba yetsa happy. You cannot accept a person o batla go qenela motho batla go phela le motho just because wena o batla gore no o tsaba o breaka motho o tsaba break up le motho because it loka ka re you are a heartbreaker. No, let us face the reality, guys. Let us face the reality. Lona ba ka relationship understand or you are in ngapakate mtholweni tloelang ho tlo ba frustrated mo and after this thing it create a pressure unnecessary because one renga the relationship tsa rona re poster the status tsa rona re poster batho ba rona forgetting or there is a possibility all that you are doing kana ko wrong o thola re motho yona yo ntse o etsa dintho le yena ha so rata re a gona guys we have sex le batho re ntse re soka re ba rata re a gona go ngola good morning o ntse sa morati motho o ka gona ngola motho good morning o ntse sa morati motho there are things o ka di etsa dintho tseno o soka rata motho o ka di etsa so batho ba ngata ba nagana gore ha motho a re good morning automatically wa o rata se nnete to when motho a re good night that doesn't mean motho wa o rata e ka nna ba o zenza nje because hona le batho ba ratang phone hona le batho ba ratang ngola hona le batho ba ratang WhatsApp hona le batho ba dulang WhatsApp hona le batho ba gona go communicate le batho ba 5 ka WhatsApp o bona ntse o communicate le lona ka WhatsApp ha o re mona o WhatsApp marubua le wena once o rumela message once but ha to message WhatsApp o ntse le WhatsApp maru rumetse message wa good night baby maru o ntse le WhatsApp hona le batho ba di gona dintho tse tsona. So to avoid to risk about frustrated guys, let us understand how it's been the difference between marriage and relationship. Guys, for us or risk about miserable this year, let us understand hona le lenyalo hona le relationship and treating the relationship as a relationship eseng e be lenyalo. And the worst part of everything ha re qetile o thola hore relationshiping o so batla o ba le melao wena ha o qetile relationshiping o so batla o jwetsa motho o founele neng a yetse eng o thole hore batla o jwetsa motho now you must call me nna ke batla o yetse eng I want this motho mo tlo di yetsa not because wa o rata but because ko eno mo kopile mo ra di yetsa yo o tell motho blela motho yo nna ke batla ke rata the message good morning messages ke rata body good night messages ke tlo di etsa dintho tse but that doesn't mean I love you. I can do those things but that doesn't mean I love you. And le di rata mpintho tse jalo ke motho re no nna ke batla motho communicate leng I love communication se le tla le melao e wese kore manya di relationship tsa rona e bile re dikinya melao re kenya melao hore no nda ke batla o etse tjena di funa o etse so re kenya melao di relationshiping re treat the relationship e ka rothi ke manyalo and that is why di re fa nonsense because re treat the relationship e ka re ke manyalo sinemithetho re na le melao no now you need to communicate elena now you need to do this thing you need to do this and ha re qetile the relationship in tsena ha re qetile re phuta the relationship tsa rona pressure le runa self personal re nga di relationship tsa rona be re phuta pressure ho tsona tholo se rena le melao di relationship tsa rona o so chika motho no you did not call me yesterday why and then tshwantse motho a tlo accounta in that is why qetelong ya qetelo re qeteletseng di relationship tsa rona di fela ha re qetile be re tlo iketsa di victim mona re tlolla hore motho a ka ba petse ka nna hey tloela o iketsa di victim di siana tsebang re le ka ramjolo and motho if I feel out you are not the right person o tlo tsamaya ho wena o tlo tsamaya because there is no commitment o tlo tsamaya khale re ba llela batho ke lile na khale ke ba llela batho but it did not work for me khale re llela batho lele bomang o lele bomang o lele bomang but that doesn't mean batho ba le ba rata ba so we need to understand that ha religion motho ya o ratang o tlo mmona o tla commita le but solanka so ka ba le commitment skanda bitsa skanda tlo ba wa nga di hopes tsa wa di sa udimo and then out totile botlo ba miserable mon how totile botlo complain ka batho no a re tlwele ntho yana guys a re tlwele go iketsa di victim because o tlo ba frustrated again this year le tla loser di bolo bana le di bolo tsa lona di tla nyamela le tla loser di bolo le tla loser di mazili le lona bana le di fuba bo le tla loser focus le tla ba useless mesebetsing le tla ba useless le tla water niza unqina niza wonder le tla water re tla water ke ntho tsana tsa di relationship tsena tseo re di fetotse manyalo qetile this year are changing dinto this year are changing dinto especially luna especially luna bakara mojolo preparang dikelelo tsa lona jwetsa kelelo ya hore this is not my husband kelelo a se monna ka yona a se mosadi wa ka we are still dating nalia if le jwetsa ba khotsi ba lona ka di partner tsa lona jwetsa ba khotsi ba lona hore we are dating ha re a nyalana and le skela tloba ba khalimele ba khotsi ba lona ba tlwela le put under pressure tlolang ba khalimelang ba khotsi ba lona bana ba le put under pressure ba o botse ka roti mohlomo le nyalane le motho a jolo tholo you are miserable jolo tshwantse ne o arabele tlolang hore le ne nkani ye ku drive wa o controla ke batho ka di relationship se manyalo tholo now tshwantse tlo account ka relationship but it was just a relationship but tshwantse tlo account o tshwantse tlo arabela o tshwantse tlo etsa eng jwetsa batho it's just the relationship ha re sure ke e tlo fihla lenyalong kapa jwang jwetsa batho ntlelele la le poster ka batho ba lona poster batho ba lona le etse very clear ka capital letter hore we are in the date or we are jola and then but for now please sebang re a jola if anything can happen let's get to retina re a jola yo guys let us understand because today we are frustrated uthola mujolo uyenza batho ba lose ditoro tsa bona ba lose focus ba lose direction because of the ntotana tse re di etsang re a ipolaya ayo tsamongolang gore guys let's say bona this year ke ka ra relationship and let's say the relationship di ba teng sometimes they are fair and high by little eating high by fedile ska lo compota di nonsense because the sad part ko we are frustrated now re tsantse re tla account batho bana ba re phelang le bona tsamongola di status in tsa lona re ke mothotseng we are still happy up to so far and then but until when but when the into the report let's get out of botsa nonsense le ba jwetsi ba ska ba le botsa nonsense le ba jwetsi yo he ba tlo phela ka thata I'm done love you ne ke batla bua le ba di relationship today. Change strategy, guys. That doesn't no wambona mutho nang le you are not even sure wa o rata kapa o ba sure. So don't ska tlo phamisa di hopes tsa o ka relationship. Re mjolo mo the message tsa di rumela tsa bo good night ha qale ga la ntsa di rumela batho ba bang. You are not the first person le tlo etsa ka roti bo good morning ke ntho e ka roti ke Steve Gate santo ke ka good ka re ke ntho ke Steve Gate santo sa electric engineer le hlantswa ke di good morning motari jo motho ka rumela good morning e ka re good morning ye ka re ke Steve Gate sa bachelor flats ke bachelor flats kapa ke nna ntho tse tsona tsa good morning motho ba hlanya lona le thetswa ke bo good morning a suka lona le swe ke nako le thetswa ke bo yo I never you know le thetswa le ke bo you are my king, you are my queen, you are my everything. Khale re di bua ntho tseo khale theteka le ya molahlile ngwe ntsa ntsa mmitsa king ona ntsa mmitsa queen so onko zo zinto le tlo thetswa ke bo you my king le tlo thetswa ke good morning o fumane motho a beile phone mo a re yo motho kana ke tse message a re motho kana ke tse message e ka roti good morning ke Steve Gate santo sa electric engineer suka na le ntina hampe motho tlo hlantswa ke ntho ke good morning fumane motho a bile a tshwere phone a ntsa jo o entse good morning ke yo khale ntho tse le re di bua you are my last number, you are my hope, you are my South Africa, there is no one like you. Khale re di bua khale and totally ka fela that doesn't mean ore motho wa o rata ka o fela di ntho tse ene we se jwale be re tlo qetella ka sex o fumane motho le ka odima hao kapa wena o le ka odima hao motho a ntsa re jojo baby ke qala o utlwa ntho tsena ke mang re wa qala ha re qale re mpa re le motivate mona le fatse re a motivate ana re be ana hantle hanna guys I want to impress and next there is nothing I'm telling you bon I cannot impress and I want mosadi a tlo impress ka anything go re la ka mplela re jo baby you are this handsome man ke a tseba hore kana go tse dingwang khothatsa nje nna ke sa le impressed a ke sa impresswa ke eng kapa eng ka 56 years bentse ke tlo hlantswa ke bo you are my what you are my carburetor you are my engine ai suka khale ba di bua ntho tsena khale ba di bua every day ho batho ba le ano wa pele nentse le you are my engine you are my carburetor you are my you are my kidi ntho tse tsa lona le bitsang you are my train you are my swimming pool ai suka ai na tsanhlanhla ntho tsena hai na di nhlantshe bona le di photo tse tsa ka dikoloing bo photo tse tsa ka dikoloing eze zinje oh baby she's I didn't get the next photo tseo tsa mo sheba da gaya ke gallery ya hae o tla bona re dingata photo tseo tsa bo Thembiso tsa bo Mthimkhulu tsa bo Ngcobo tsa bo manga na di sa nhlantsha ntho tseo bo baby cheese that is na le di photo ke batlo dinka nna ke batlo dinka di photo hle motho a ntse ra reng ke di photo ke batlo nka di photo ai yo nna ke nke di photo I can be impressed next mojola una nnete next mojolo o tshwana le sex a dina nnete ntho le ka have sex le sa ratang o bolla o heleditse o khwaze yo baby yo you fuck me so nice yo oh my puntu kanti ha ona next ai mojolo le language ya mojolo le ya sex di a tshwana. You are so good. Yo, baby, you're so good. Yo, you fuck me so nice. Khale nta di bua o tlalitse. Khale, ai suka. Yo, So, save yourself. Arrive alive. Who 2026. Arrive alive for 2026. Ya ka no clock up emjoleng qetile guys nna ke le rata. O tsaba hape ona le batho ba jollang go fola o se wa ka ka butu wa ka. Na le batho ba jollang go fola. Wena ona hana hore muthera mujolo lwana kanti muthelo ntso mohila na la batho ba robeile ne ke re ke tlo tena skipa sena sa ka mara na kwa ndimel mujolo mo sometimes we don't harega mujolo o tholo re wena o jola le motho kanti wena o doctor ya hai o ntso mo fodisa mo hlaka ta o fola o tlo tlwela mujolo You when now you are 150% or some karamjol. You are happy u jwang kanti unto hila mutho. So dinto tsa mjolo tlelang di tshintshelen system this year. Yo, ana le batho ba tswang di heartbreaking tse dangerous. Ba tswang manyalong a dangerous. Ba robeile pele wena o tlokopana le yena a ba o jwetsa re yo qala o tla ntho e tsena. Kanti mutho o tlo hila ka wena a qeta o hila o tlo tswa wena. So mojolo and can kopa ska ba negative. Do the right thing. Give yourself your ipena ko jwala rata motho wa hao try dintho tsohle. But if fail, don't be frustrated. There is nothing wrong to be in that relationship. There is nothing wrong to have that partner. Do everything but if it fail, understand that it was not a marriage, it was just a relationship. Let us understand that. It was not, if it fail, bear in your mind it was not a marriage, it was just a relationship. And convince yourself because Luena khale o jola bokopana le batho ba sa barateng Luena khale o kopana le batho ba sa barateng nathi ukuthala sibana nabantu ene ubonana uri utlo morata motho batho bo sa morata. So let us understand that high fair relationship, understand that it was just a relationship. Tlola o ikutlisa bohloko o tlo ngwana di status o tlo lla o tlo etsang ene le mojolo ba bong ba lona ebile a le tsibile bo malume ba batho bana mara le qetile selinke hile ke bona ale so bone le bo malume ba bona ba tla le qetile. Guys, I love you. Until we meet again. God bless you. I love you. Kanete abaso bone le bo malume next baba ntse le tsamaiso different o thole motho a buisa different tsa mara ha o isi a bona wa o isa hohle mona different tsa mara aka kusi kokwa ha o isi ha o yi different tsa mara wa o I mean we tla o tsamaisa different tsa hai ha o ise hohle mona different tsa hai. My advice to know lona ba di relationship tsa lona di tsijwang le di postileng le etsang tsa mongola no. Guys, we are still together le motho aka but le hopolo re a se lenyalo ke relationship. So and le atwa di relationship di a fela the same way ho felang le manyalo. so ke kopa le se la tlonketsa bushula le ba khalmele batho ba le bang project kannete Kubai. I love you. My number is 073 202 9079 if batla bua le nna. WhatsApp number ya ka ke yona eo, same number 073 202 9079. Thank you guys until we meet again. Ke ne ke bua ntho ena fela hore this year re change system so that re ska ra ipona really miserable. The resolutions tsa rona re ska ra di phazamisa ra lose focus di resolution tsa rona ka baka la mjolo. And rona be re ke lenyalo. No, let us understand hore re a jolang for now. Wa jolo o ka ra mjolo wena. And mjola una Steve Gate. Ekaro ho fela manyalo ana le Steve Gate. Lenyalo le ngotsweng Steve Gate of marriage. Bele fela wena butlo o hlanya o hlantswa ke mjolo o sena Steve Gate. I'm heartbroken, but I love you.